If you want better result from LLM, especially for deep research, you can use Ollama Cloud that connect to the more powerful models. Connecting to Ollama Cloud is very simple. You have to just type Ollama signin, that's all. You will see the tab is open in your browser. You have to just click on connect, that's all. Now you connect to Ollama Cloud, and running model is very simple. You have to just put clouds fix at the end. Now you are connected to Ollama Cloud instead of your local model. The best part, the API is identical. If you build an application and want to change a model, just change the model name. Now your app has 10x more brain power. It's perfect for complex reasoning and deep analysis, or if your laptop does not have enough memory. In that case, you can use Ollama Cloud. But there are limits, it's not totally free. If you need more tokens, then you have to pay. But they have, I think, enough sufficient limit that you can use for research and all that stuff, so you don't need to pay.